again. I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Alright children, for today's class, to begin, let's do one activity. So are you ready for it? Get set, go! Alright children, now you all have closed your eyes. I'm going to say the name of few objects and what you have to do, आप सबको उसके बारे में सोचना है. You all have to think about it. If I say it an apple. So apple के बारे में आप सबके दिमाग में क्या आता है? So now think about an apple. Its color. Apple is red color. Apple is juicy. Apple is sweet. So many things you come to know. But the first thing comes to your mind is the color. Is the color. Okay, children. Now, don't open your eyes. No. You have to let your eyes close. All right, children. Now it's time to think about second object or another object. Now think of a cloud. What do you see about a cloud? The sky is filled with clouds. And in the sky, clouds are of white color. Some are of grey color, dark clouds, very dark clouds. And some are of darkish black color. Yes? So when we think about clouds, we think of different colors. So now children, please open your eyes. Yes. Very good. And rub your hands and put them on your eyes. And now look here. Oh, your teacher is here. What all you have seen today? Apple, clouds. Yes? So, red apple, white cloud, dark blue cloud or a grey cloud. This green grass. What are all these? These all are the colors. Yes. These all are colors. C-O-L-O-U-R-S, colors. So children, today's concept is colors. Colors. I hope you all enjoyed. Yeah? Enjoyed the activity? Good. Look at these pictures. Observe and read. Now, when you see the rose, this flower, which is a rose, so what color comes to your mind? Red color. The rose is red. In fact, rose is available in many different colors like pink, yellow, white, black also. Yes. When you go to the President House, over there you can see the black color rose. But always, सबसे पहले color कौन सा आता है हमारे दिमाग में? A red color. Yes. The rose is red. Please repeat after me. The rose is red. Very good. Now look at the next picture. It's a picture of a sky where you can see the clouds. The sky is blue. What is the color of sky? Blue color. The sky is blue. Please say the color. Blue color. Now look at these trees. The trees are green. The trees are green. Have you ever seen brown trees? No. Or have you ever seen orange trees? No. Most of the times we see their leaves are green. The trees are green. Similarly, let's look at this flower. The flower is pink. What is the color? Pink color. गुलाबी रंग है. कौन सा रंग है? गुलाबी और pink. The flower is pink. Now see these beautiful ducks. They are white in color. The ducks are white. The ducks are white. Which color? White color. Do you know which animal is it? This is a bear. It is a bear. The bear is brown. What is the color? Brown color. The bear is brown. Brown color. So register all these colors in your mind, like red, blue, green, pink, and then comes the white, brown. And let's look at this last color where the picture is of a crown. Crown, which a king wears on the head, or a queen. Yellow is the crown. What is the color of the crown? Yellow. Which color? Yellow. In today's class, we have learnt about different colors like red, blue, green, pink, white, brown and yellow. Okay, so now tell me, what is the color of a sun? It is yellow color. Yes. And many other colors you can see like silver, golden, white, black, isn't it? Orange, they all are there. But it is important to learn about the first primary colors like red, yellow and green. I hope children you enjoyed today's class. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.